Hey everyone, in this video, I'm reviewing ChatSim. Interested? Product links are down below. Let's dive in. ChatSim is an eSIM for staying connected via messaging apps while traveling. It provides unlimited messaging on WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, and more in over 160 countries, bypassing data limits. Installation is easy. Download the eSIM, scan the QR code, and you're connected. ChatSim excels at its core function, text-based communication. Unlike eSIMs with full internet, ChatSim focuses solely on messaging. Perfect for frequent travelers, backpackers, or anyone needing constant app-based contact without roaming fees. Its affordability is a huge plus. A yearly fee gets you unlimited messaging, a game-changer for budget travelers. In my tests, connectivity was generally reliable, even in areas with weaker coverage. I sent and received messages without issues. However, ChatSim isn't for heavy data users. Limited browsing is available, and media sharing like photos or videos usually requires a top-up. Bottom line, ChatSim is great for unlimited text communication abroad. Not ideal for data-heavy apps, but perfect if chat is your priority. For pricing and more info, check the links below.